First question, a message signal m of t is equal to am sin 2 pi fmt is used to modulate the phase of the carrier AC cos 2 pi fct. To get the modulated signal y of t is equal to AC sin cos 2 pi fct plus m of t, the bandwidth of y of t. Find the correct answer. Second question, with change in modulating frequency fm, the modulation index of phase modulated signal will. With change in modulating frequency fm, the modulation index of phase modulated signal will. Third question, fm can be generated using pm by. fm can be generated using pm by. Fourth question, amplitude of pm wave. Amplitude of pm wave. Fifth question, the equation for the modulated pm wave is given by. The equation for the modulated pm wave is given by. Sixth question, the signal m of t as shown applied both to a phase modulator with kp as the phase constant and frequency modulator with kf as a frequency constant having the same carrier frequency. The ratio kb divided by kf in radian per hertz for the same maximum phase deviation is. And this is a signal, and find the correct answer. Seventh question, a phase modulated signal is given by, that is signal that is equal to 10 cos 2 pi into 10 to the power 6t plus 6 sin 6 pi into 10 to the power 3t. If the sensitivity of the phase modulator is given as 10 radian per volt, find maximum value of phase deviation. Eighth question, for a phase modulated signal, the frequency deviation is proportional to. For a phase modulated signal, the frequency deviation is proportional to. Ninth question, in PM the information is transmitted using. In PM the information is transmitted using. 10th question, in phase modulated signal, the signal that is equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus beta sin 2 pi fmt, where beta is equal to 6, fm is equal to 3 kHz. Find the bandwidth of the PM signal.